I always say there's more than one way to do your detangling, just like natural hair care. There's never a one size fits all. You can do your detangling using a pre-poo, using via a pre-poo or an oil with a good slip, or a combination of oils with a good slip, or you can do your detangling using an instant conditioner. Now in a clip I'm going to show you how I effortlessly detangle my hair using an instant conditioner. The process and the technique of, I think the process and the technique also makes a huge difference. Now my hair looks a lot more, stretched in this video. It's 2 weeks post being stretched using a blow dryer, not the Rever, I wish I had the Rever, but using the Dyson. If you guys want to know my thoughts about the Dyson, drop your comments, let me know in the comments and I'll do a separate video on that. But this video is mainly about, detangling using an instant conditioner. As I said, it's not one size fits all, so you need to find what works for you. Copying what someone else is doing might not work for you. You can try out the two methods and take it from there. Just because one method doesn't work for you, it doesn't mean it's trash. You probably just need the other method. Okay, anyway, watch the detangling video with the instant conditioner. Let me know your thoughts. I'd love to know how you guys currently detangle. Guys also wondering what this interesting looking ponytail is. I had my wash day today, so how I sometimes usually stretch the twist before then retwisting it into a style is using the African threading method. So I washed it earlier this afternoon. Right now it's about 6 p.m. I will then take this out, the thread out, and retwist my hair, and I'll get a nice twist out from that in a few days. But that's another video coming to you in about a week's time, so keep an eye out. For now, watch the video and let me know your thoughts. So as I mentioned earlier on, my hair is currently stretched from a blowout about 2 weeks ago. So right now I'm starting by making sure I section my hair, and I also use the claw clamp from Healthy Hair Studio to clip each section out of the way. And what you see me feeling for are my natural parts, the parts that I tend to recycle. And if you notice, there's no gapy, unhealthy sign of traction alopecia, which some people can experience from constantly using the same parting. But the main reason why that would happen is if there's constant tension in that recycled parts. So I usually, when detangling hair, just try and make sure jewelry off your fingers, off your neck, just to minimize your hair snagging and pulling and, snapping unnecessarily. So I initially started by using my finger to gently detangle, and then I pour some of the conditioner into my palm, and as you can see, I'm squeezing it in. I squeeze it in, because if you're then just rubbing it up and down, you're just causing unnecessary friction, which is not great for our hair type. So squeeze it in, and then also separate each part, separate it so that each strand gets coated and no strand is left behind. And I squeeze extra into my end. As we all, that's the oldest part of our hair strand, so it always needs that extra bit of lube. So I move around to all the sections of my hair. I take my time to do this section by section so that, every single strand is covered and loved on and cared for. So once every single strand of my head is covered with the instant conditioner, as you can see, I'm using the clamps from Healthy Hair Studio to hold it in 2 bunches to the side, and it's also to stop it from matting on itself. What I then do, the front section of my hair is the most fragile bit, so I always take my time to, ensure that aspect is coated properly. I take my time to gently squeeze into every single strand.
and then put extra to smooth the top and my nape, or the kitchen as they call it, and really smooth it down. What I would then do is pop on a shower cap just so my body heat can make the instant conditioner, really penetrate into my strands to help the cuticle to lift slightly. Then after about 30 minutes, you could keep it for longer, but 30 minutes was enough, and I had a few appointments that day, so no faffing around. So what I will then do is again clamp it out of the way, or use one of my wash day satin hairbands to move the top out of the way. And again, I go through it with my fingers first, and then I move in with my tool of choice. And I gently always start at the end and then gradually work my way through each section of hair. Can you see how the comb is gently going through without any snagging? Bearing in mind, I did not spritz my hair first at all. I went in straight with the instant conditioner. Like I always say, there's more than one way to skin a cat. There's more than one way to get a job done. There's more than one way to detangle your hair. With natural hair or hair care, it's never a one-size-fits-all. As per usual, thank you so much for watching my video. Drop a comment down below if there's any other questions you want or any other videos you'd like to see from us. Until next time, bye.